Studying Philippine literature is so important because it portrays as a living language. Philippine literature introduces real-life situation within the experimental background of the youth to featured literary pieces. This is bringing us into such issues as environmental awareness, peace education, and others. Literary in this period is based on tradition, reflecting daily life activities such as housework, farming, fishing, and hunting and taking care of the children as well. The early inhabitants of the Philippine archipelago had a native alphabet. This is called Baybayin. The characteristic of the Philippine literature is associated with the Philippines and includes the legends of the prehistory and the colonial. Philippine literature is written in Spanish, English, Tagalog, or other native languages. In the Philippine literature have different genre like poetry, romances, dramas, and other. The significance of the Philippine writing to the world is that the world is being remarkable quality and greatness of the Filipinos. They're going to be known to the world in the light of their works of art, and it will be engraved in everybody's psyche. The differences between Philippine literature and American literature. Philippine literature can write many languages like Spanish, English, and Tagalog, while American literature, they only write English languages in literature.
American literature refers to the body of literature that reflects the life and times of the people of United States, and it is shown by history. America was a group of colonies in the North American continent for almost centuries. Did you also know that from 1661 in month of April until May 1665, a civil war happened between northern and southern USA? So that time, American writers strived their best to make their literature distinct from European tradition. What defines the characteristics of a list of American literature? According to Maddie Burns, it depicts the diverse and revolutionary forthcoming of the nation to what it is today. After reading numerous books that are classified as American literature, Maddie Burns come to the realization that America literature does indeed encompasses key events, important viewpoints, and writing styles that help America in what we know to be today. Through written works, it contains important events, definite opinions, as well as distinctive form of writing, all of which help to shape America into the nation it is today. These are some examples of the important writers and their literary piece in the American literature. The first, Mark Twain, the author of Adventure of Tom Sawyer's Merks Stephen King and his literary piece. Next is John Green and his famous literary piece The Fault in Our Stars, and one of the famous is Veronica Roth and her literary piece Divergent. And lastly, Willa Cather and her piece O Pioneers, and James Fenimore Cooper and his literary piece The Last of Mohicans. These are some examples of the important writers and their literary piece that really signifies them. The significance of this literature to their community is that what makes them unique and known as well because their country who able to write such literary piece that has a moral lesson and some of based on what they have experienced. This also significance to the world because their work they able to be known not only in their country but all over the world. It is because they literary piece that portrays their lives and the lives of others, they inspired the people around them by sharing knowledge. For similarities, both Philippines and America have the same literature to represent their country, and they have both great writers and the literary pieces that are known around the world. This literature helps them to grow their country and to know their culture.